again in the lychee slicer. Um, so we are going to build a Hulk. Well, we're going to print a Hulk. Right now, you are looking at a 1/6 scale Hulk torso. And as you can see, this would be the bed of my printer. This would be, actually, no, this is the build plate of the printer. And so at 1/6 scale, that's not what I was looking for. I probably should have, but I didn't. I had to go crazy and I went for 1/4 scale. So here's the scale. I selected that, and this is what I do because I want it bigger. But as you can see, he's almost pretty much taking up that whole build plate with those shoulders and everything. So watch what happens when I change this to 150. Look at that. Would you look at that? He is no longer gonna fit on this build plate. So I had a couple of options. One, I could go to my FDM printer and print out the torso because it has a bigger build plate and can do that. And I did try that. I wasn't 100% happy with those results. So I did go and went into this other program called Mesh Mixer, which will allow you to cut the files up into more manageable slices. Now, I definitely am looking forward to what I ended up doing was I cut his torso where I cut out the right side here, and then I cut out the left side here, and then left the bottom part. So basically he was in 3 pieces and I had to glue them back together. Now, if anyone is interested, then put that in the put that in the comments, and I will be happy to show you how I use Mesh Mixer to actually make this happen. Okay, so we are finally done. It took quite a while to do this. As you can see, we got some red here, and oops. And we got some red here, meaning that this particular part of this print would not actually print. So now we need to move it on the build plate and see where we are now. There you go. Now we're, nope. Okay. Let's do this again. Let's move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. Okay. And through the magic of Pancake, we have our supports, and we have no red. But let's take this leg and take it over to the printer and keep going with the process. We're going to print, we're going to prime, and then we're going to paint.